Hello everybody, welcome to this video. My name is John Claro, student in English for Languages English at Una University, Seattle, Ocaña. In this opportunity, I go to do the part 3 question 101 and answer the following question. Okay, all university students should do part-time jobs where they are studying. Well, the question is, what are the advantages? Well, acquired works provides additional income that is for connection for the future. Where this well less free time, stress affect academic performance. What is your own opinion? Well, in my opinion, I think I consider that it's very important to have a job because it helps us to cover our personal expenses and those of the university. It's all for today. See you in the next video.